Good morning, Zainab. How are you? Students, this is our ERP Moodle page. Assignment okay. All students submitted. Okay. Project you submit after, no problem. We have a time. Then project. Then I need to update chapter. All chapters in one file. I will put everything. Chapter 5, 6, 7 in one file. But before I given product data management, same information, but it is in the common file. Chapter 6, chapter 5, 6 and 7. Students, everybody can see the screen in Zoom. Any problem or anything? Everybody can see the screen. Okay. Students, this is our chapter 5 already finished. Just make a review, okay? CRM module. Then what are the different kind of customer focused measures? All red color more important for final exam. Okay. Then have you adopted the principles of integrated supply chain management? We have 6 different factors. Have you implemented completely reliable information network and communication systems? Okay. Then you have a chapter 6. So what is available in the Moodle? So in the Moodle, all the chapters are available. Okay. All the chapters are available. What you can do, only you need to study the important informations. Project, you have a time. Chapter 1, chapter 2, and material requirement planning. Problem for final examination, P and Q problem for final exam. Okay. Then this teaching in the YouTube for your understanding about the problem, material requirement planning, sales and operation planning. Then this class for ERP project. If you have any problem again in ERP project, we will explain. This is chapter 5. This is chapter 6. And this is also chapter 6. Then this is chapter 7. So everything I put together and in one file for your easy understanding. So what we are going to do now, we are going to teach chapter 7. Chapter 6 already finished. Chapter 6 for supply chain council. So all small chapters, there is no all the informations, more informations. What is a score model? Supplier, supplier, customers, customers. Three models of score. Score model include three different steps. Score model steps. What is score model? Supply chain operation reference model. Supply chain configurations is driven by deliver, make, source, and plan. Then performance measurement. Totally 12 performance measurements. Yes, Mubarak. Hello. Anybody wants to talk with me? Okay. Project closed up. Time finished? No, I given more time. I will check after this class. Deliver performance. Students, can I continue my class or any problem? Some students wants to talk with me. Hello. Students, can you hear my voice? Hello. Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right? Can I continue? Okay. Okay. So totally we have 12 performance measurements of score. What is score? Supply chain operation reference model. Okay, last class we discussed more information already. It has totally delivery performance. Then what percentage of order is shipped according to the schedule? Fill rate by line item. Order fulfillment lead time. So, for example, fill rate by order may contain many line items. For example, you order mobile phone, you order television, you order another item from Sony Enterprise. That time the orders are in line item. For example, take Toyota, the orders are in line item. Maybe Swat Mubarak Bhawan enter order for their customers from Toyota. Yes, students, any problem or anything? Can you see the screen? Oh. Screen may be struck. Why Mubarak again and again log in? Better to go for big blue button. Otherwise. Mubarak, okay, right? Everybody okay with me? I don't know. Okay, I am teaching and recording also going on. Any problem for understanding, you may ask me. Mubarak, okay, right? Okay. So we have delivery performance, fill rate by line item. For example, Swat Mubarak Bhawan ordering Camry, Yaris, other items for their customers. Where the supply coming from? supplier is Toyota. Toyota is a supplier. Supplier supply all the car to Muscat or Oman. So they received from Toyota, maybe from Japan or maybe from another source that we called delivery performance. That's why before we have delivery channel, make production site, source, plan, and other things. So what do you mean by fill rate by line item? Order may contain multiple line item. The fill rate by line items is a good measurement for the customer service. So the Swat Mubarak Bhawan, he has a Toyota. So customer order not directly to Toyota. They have to order to in the Oman, Swat Mubarak Bhawan Toyota company. So this company is not manufacturing any car. So manufacturing should coming from Japan. The same like that, Sony television. Sony television should be coming from Japan, not from anywhere else. Maybe they manufacturing in China, maybe they manufacturing in India. But in Oman, there is no manufacturing plant. So the suppliers are Sony, Toyota, Oman Oasis, or any Samsung, any enterprises. So what we need a software for enterprise resource planning. There it must have a performance measurements like delivery performance, fill rate by line item, order fulfillment lead time, and perfect order fulfillment. Perfect order, for example, the measures how many orders were filled completely and shipped on time. What do you mean by the shipped? Shipped means export from Japan by ship, and it is going to be port in the Muscat International, Muscat Port, Muscat Sea, okay, seaport. So either it's most probably everything coming by ship only, but generally we call shipment. Shipment means either by pickup or either by air or road or sea or train, anything we call shipment on time. Supply chain response time. The measures capture how long it will take for the effect to be felt supply chain given a change. So supply chain, how long it will be giving the effect and change the changes in the company. Upside production flexibility measures the assesses the response time required by the manufacturing facility to surge the capability to meet the increased demand. For example, 1,000 Corolla needed for Oman. So what Toyota can say, I will send within 1 month. Maybe they finish the product, all 1,000 cars, 1,000 cars, and send to the particular company in Oman. That is upside production flexibility also needed. Supply chain management cost, how much cost is needed for making. Warranty cost as per the percentage of revenue. Warranty cost means 6 years full service warranty. 6 years insurance free. Maybe value added per employee. Improving overall financial performance of the enterprise is dependent on improving the value added per employee. If any employee is working in the company, we need to give more value added services to the employee. Non-value added activities or waste should be eliminated from the process. We need to give more improvement for the employee, those who are working in the enterprise. Inventory day of supply. These measures quantify how long the enterprise could continue to run if all the sources of supply were cut off. For example, what do you mean by the all sources of supply cut off? Take Carrefour, take Toyota. Toyota, there is no Yaris car for more than 1 year. The demand is available in the customers, but no car available. How long the company will be survive without Yaris car, without Oman Oasis? Water supply is cut. How long you can survive? Survive means how long you can stand in the business. In agile supply chain, this number is expected to be very small only. Cash to cash cycle time. Cash to cash cycle time. For example, inventory is a larger consumer of the cash asset. When the accounts payable and accounts receivable times are considered. So we need to do the accounts receivable and accounts payable. The amount of time it takes for enterprise to liquidate its investment in inventory and turn that investment back to the cash can be significant. A company may be profitable, but unacceptable cash flow can still put the business out of the business. Put the business out of the business. That also possible if you don't have a cash. For example, one company not pay salary for more than 3 months to the employee. What will happen for the business? Nobody ready to work for that company. Everybody wants to do something. So that is called the inventory is a larger consumer of the cost asset. Cost is more important. Cash is a more important. Cash asset. When the accountable payable and receivable should be considered. Okay, the amount of time it takes to for the enterprise is liquidate. For example, everybody buying the item without giving any money, without paying to the particular company. What will happen? They don't have a cash to pay salary for their employee. This is normally happen between the employer and company and the customers. So cash to cash cycle is more important for making very good profitable of the company. Otherwise, profit for the company will be reduced. If there is no cash in your company, what you can do, you have to go for bank, take the loan. Loan has an interest. You have to pay extra money to the bank if you want to give the salary to the employee. So these are all the different process, not only for giving salary. In the company, if you take power, water, and other facilities, everything cash is needed. That's why cash to cash cycle time is more important for the one of the supply chain operation reference model performance measurement. Asset turns. Asset turns means based on cash to cash cycle, asset turn is very similar to inventory turn. Asset turn is similar to the inventory turn. How many times can the same asset be used? Same assets can be used to generate revenue and profit. This is more important. So for example, if you have a computer, if you have a car, or if you have another equipment, how long it will be useful for you and produce the money? For example, take Sur Gulia Jamia. How many times the same asset, same building, same computer, same chair, same asset means everything, building, laptop, computers. So, for example, Sheikh Mubarak Bhawan invested all the money to the Sur Gulia Jamia for before 25 years before. College started. The same asset, how it will be giving money to the owner? How long it will be giving? Maybe it will be giving for another 50 years, 50, or maybe 100 years. So one-time investment, maybe 1 million or 10 million of Omani Riyal. From 10 million of Omani Riyal, every month I can get 1 million of Omani Riyal money or $500,000. So after 50 years, how much money it will be coming? That is called asset turns. So cash to cash cycle, asset turns is very similar to inventory turn. How many times can the same asset be used to generate revenue and profit? Revenue means money will be coming. Money will be coming. All money is not my profit. For example, I sell one item for 100 Riyal. How much profit extra? From 100 Riyal, my extra maybe 10 Riyal, my profit. That is we call profit. The stockholder expect that assets to be well utilized and well invest in a company. Assets to be well utilized. Utilized means used, properly put in your business, and well invest. Invest means you have to buy the land buy the building, making a building, buy the items for the particular company, effectively turns its asset. Why we study these things in our ERP software? In the ERP software should have all those informations in the computerization. How much I invested, how much I taken out. For example, Sheikh Mubarak Bhawan has the software of ERP, okay, in his laptop. He will open. He invested 20 years before maybe 1998. He started to invest some money for started this college, Surgulia Jamia. So now, so far, how much money returned back? Asset turn. Turns means coming back. How much it will be take back from this college? How much profit? Not all getting back is not a profit. From that, how much profit? How much expenses? How much invested? Those things from the software itself, we need to finish it. That is called asset intents. Based on these things for any enterprises. So you know already many examples for the enterprise. Sony, Samsung, Sultan Qaboos University also enterprise. Sur University College, Muscat College, Majan College, all the institutions are called as enterprise. Everything they are doing with ERP. Oman LNG, Omifco, any company in the world called ERP. Without ERP software, those companies cannot run. Already you know in chapter 5, what are the different company can use the enterprise resource management model, ERM. Okay, what is ERM? Enterprise resource management. So when they will go for enterprise resource management, if they get 90 grade and above, 90 mark and above, how we have a checklist. See, these checklist, they have above 90 and above 90 and above, organization is ready for enterprise resource management. Otherwise, you know, we listed out everything. So these things we already discussed. Then based on these 12 measurements, how the customer focusing or internal focusing, cost and assets will be carried out. In chapter 7, the SCORE model specifically does not include sales and marketing, research, technology development, product development, and some of the elements are cost, delivery, customer support. Those things are not available. Inventory records. What do you mean by the inventory record? Every inventory item to be stocked. What do you mean by the inventory? The items which are available in any company. For example, take Lulu Hypermarket. It is an enterprise? Yes. How many employees are working? More than 100 employees are working. For example, in Sur, how many employees are working? Maybe 50. 50 employees are working. How many items are available? Many items are available. We don't know. But if you have a ERP software, this much items are available. Maybe 100 water bottle available. If you tick the system will be show you. That's why you are doing this project. Why I ask you to do the project? You need to make a ERP software. That ERP software will show all the items which are right now available in the inventory. I want to know how many water bottle available right now, just after my business now, how much water bottle available, how much mobile phone available. We cannot say many. Okay. So same thing, why we need to use the system and software. For example, I ask you, how many Omanis are available in Oman? You cannot say many. You have to define how much. In Sur, how much? In Sur, how much are having car? How much are not having car? How many people are having corona? These things, idea. Same thing we need to do for our project to make the presentation. So every inventory item will be stocked, must be identified uniquely and have the inventory record available. What do you mean by the inventory? Inventory is nothing but a stock. What is a stock? What are the different items are available in the company, in the enterprise? Take Lulu hypermarket. How many televisions are available? How many water bottle available? How many rice available? How many vegetables are available? How many fish? All the items are inventory items. What do you mean by you need to store in the system? Without system, there is no business, you know, already. Because the customers buy the item, they have to come for the buying gate, barcode reader, and input will be carried out. Then it will be going to the accounts will be deduct and money will be taken. Then that money will be again going for supply chain model. Then it will be entered. Who is this? iPhone. iPhone Oman. iPhone Oman, no need. On hand, how many are currently in inventory and available for use? How many on hand? What do you mean by on hand? What do you mean by on hand? On hand. On hand. On hand. Students, all are with me? Obeda, Zainab, Zamzam, Sumaya, Mubarak. Oh, Mubarak is coming. I don't know. If he is coming again, I will. iPhone, Oman. Ah, Mubarak with you. Okay, Mubarak, what do you mean by on hand? On hand. You know hand, you know? Everybody having two hand. What do you mean by on hand? On hand. Zainab, you have one hand? Allahu Akbar. On hand, not one hand. Very difficult. We have two hand. On hand. On. What is the meaning in the inventory, in the English word on? O-N, on. On. Okay, you find the meaning. So on hand means how much available right now on you, with you. How much on hand you have? Maybe I have 1 million Omani Riyal. 1 million Omani Riyal. Okay. In my company, I have 10 Toyota car or any components, accessories, anything. So how many are currently in the inventory and available for use? Available for use. That is called on hand. On order. How many parts have already been ordered? Already you ordered from the supplier. How much you are ordered from the supplier? Either internal or external. You can order from internal, inside or outside. And when are they due to arrive? When it is coming to your company. Lead time, how long is replacement expected to take from time of order? Common error, include amount of time it take to place the item on the order. Some companies are required 3 quotations and awaiting for purchasing the items. That is we called lead time. The amount of time is required to receive and inspect the parts must be included. If only the supplier's lead time be used, the part will be always late sometimes. Planning data. These factors define order size and timing for the planning of data. The operation we have here is the, who is that? Who is this iPhone? iPhone Oman. Anybody waiting? Okay, Sumaya, okay. You understand, I am very happy. Who is iPhone Oman? Somebody entered? I don't know. Who are all the participants? Khalid, Mubarak. Okay, all my students only. I have to check. Sometime they will join some other students if they know. What is this? Operation planning, material and capacity requirement planning. So operation planning is a detailed calculation of material and capacity required to execute operation, sales and operation plan. And demand management is the function of recognizing all the demand for the product and services in order to support the customers in the market. What do you mean by balance and supply and demand? For example, the demand from the customer today all over today Lulu hypermarket need 1000 water bottle 1000 water bottle for their customers. How much supply? Supply only 500 water bottle. Remaining 500 water bottle not available. That is a balance. Balance means the factor between supply of water and how much demand. Demand is 1000, supply is 500. That means lack of supply. Lack of supply. So demand and management attempt to balance supply and demand. Demand can come from forecast. Demand coming from forecast. We must know how much we need for our company. Customer order, distribution, spare parts, safety stock, interdivisional requirement, and new product. So product data management, expected benefits of PDM, product data management. The enterprise is faced with many challenges, but both internal and external. The benefits of PDM can be divided into 4 categories: market share, customer satisfaction, profit margin, then returns to stockholders. So these are all the 4 categories of PDM: market share, customer satisfaction, profit margin, and return to stockholders. Product life cycle management, PLM. The PLM nowadays, they are using computer aided design for the complex assemblies, and the product data management also they are using for the functionality. How they are using for the automatic design and change the communication. If they want to manufacturing any car, for example, Lexus or Toyota or any product, we need to have a design. All the product should have a design. Even you have a water bottle should need a design. Design means structure of the bottle. Then they fill up with the water. Same like that, any product, even biscuit, they need to design first. How the wrapper, what we need to print, what are the different information. Then inside you have a biscuit. Any product, we need a design. So here you have the design operation. Purchase manager, technical manager, supplier, stress engineer, technical public authors, and all the activities are here available. Business process connection between supply chain model, customer relationship model. So we have customer relationship model and product data management. So here you have a customer relationship management, supply chain management, product data management, customer relationship management, everything sequence. Before we discussed ERM, CRM in the chapter 5, and chapter 6, supply chain council, supply chain everything. Then now we are discussing PDM, product data management. So everything in the order. For example, first we need a customer. So customer should place the order, track the product, complete the. So all modules we need to computerize in the ERP model. Computerized means make a software. We need a design. So here, sell the product. Sell the product is coming under supply chain model. Create the sales order, fulfillment, manufacturing the product, analyze the cost, minor product quality, receives and impact product. Then PDM, product data management. Create product design. How to create the design? I want to know about any changes in the area as soon as they are approved. For example, design change. Before you know, Toyota Corolla with different design in 2012 car. If you see my car is different now, new model is different. Same like Camry, before model different, now the new model for car is different. Same like Mubarak has Camry, maybe Khalid has another car. If you see before design is different, here is different. This is maybe based on the changes. What are the different factors they are considered? They are considered for the demand purpose, forecasting. Forecasting, we know in the chapter 3, we have a formula for calculating forecasting. Endpoint plus trend. We have a problem. Here we discuss about forecasting, customer order, distributions, spare parts, safety stock, inter-divisional requirement, and the new product. Okay, students. So this Zoom will be finished after 1 minute. Then remaining slides we will be discussed next Monday. Then one more problem is left for your final exam. So how more slides are available for you teaching? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These things are remaining. These things already we discussed. Only review. Okay. So forecasting in the chapter 3. Again, I will give review for this one. Market demand, forecasting, and other things. So probably next week I will completely finish my chapter. Then after that review. Before Ramadan fasting, most probably I complete my all the activities for ERP. Okay, students. Then some students wanted to open project. What happened to project? Time finished. Hello. Time finished for project, or is there time is there? When's the last date for project? Project 12/4 only. Why project how closed? Not closed.